So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to align text in Design Wizard. So when you're into Design Wizard, you first off have to add some text to your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to the text button right here at the bottom, press on that. I'm just going to select on Add a Heading, but you can obviously select Add a Subheading or Add a Paragraph as well if you may, if you want to. So go ahead and press on Add Heading. Now, in order to align text, what you have to do is pretty straightforward. So what I'm going to do actually here is make this text a little bit larger, and I'm going to type in the word align. So as of right now, the text actually is defaulted to be aligned in the middle. So if I were to center it right here, as you can tell, there's space on both sides. Every time you text is going to come to the middle and make both sides larger. So to edit this or to change this, go to this top bar right here. So press on the text. Make sure the text is selected. Go to this top bar right here. Then this option right here where it says text align. So right in between fill as well as spacing, press on text align. As I mentioned before, if you were to press that, then you can make it go to the left hand side. You can press it again to make it go to the right. You can press it again to go to the middle. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can align text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.